Deep within the internet's darkest corners, a disturbing tale emerged: the Russian sleep experiment. It spoke of unspeakable horrors, of scientists pushing human endurance beyond limits. The story is set during the paranoid depths of the Cold War, a time when anything seemed plausible, especially secret government experiments shrouded in mystery and moral ambiguity. The core of the legend revolves around a stimulant gas, supposedly developed by Soviet scientists to keep test subjects awake for an unthinkable duration, defying natural human biology. 5 political prisoners, promised freedom, were allegedly placed in a sealed chamber, unknowingly subjected to this gas, their every move monitored by unseen forces. Initially, the subjects were normal, conversing, eating, but as days bled into weeks without sleep, their sanity began to fray, slipping away into a terrifying abyss. Voices from inside the chamber, initially coherent, devolved into unsettling whispers and desperate pleas, indicating the psychological torture they endured. Paranoia set in. Subjects began accusing each other, tearing apart books, and smearing their pages with their own waste, a desperate act to see through hidden peepholes. Then, silence. For days, no sound emanated from the chamber. The scientists, growing increasingly unnerved, feared the worst had transpired within. Finally, after 15 days, the scientists decided to breach the chamber. What they found inside transcended their darkest nightmares. The chamber was horrific. Blood, human tissue, and feces covered every surface. One subject was dead, others severely mutilated, self-inflicted wounds everywhere. The surviving subjects exhibited extreme strength and a terrifying refusal to sleep, pleading to be kept awake even as their bodies and minds collapsed. Even the hardened Soviet soldiers tasked with retrieving them were terrified, struggling to subdue the powerful, deranged prisoners. One subject, after being questioned about his identity, chillingly replied, "We are you. We are the madness that lurks within you all, begging to be freed." The story ends with the surviving subjects being killed, either by the scientists or their own madness, leaving a lingering, horrific question. But here's the twist. This entire gruesome narrative is a work of fiction. The first clue? No verifiable historical records or official documentation exist. The tale originated in 2010 on a website called Creepypasta Wiki, a platform dedicated to scary, user-generated horror stories. The story's anonymous author tapped into universal fears: government conspiracy, scientific hubris, and the fragility of the human mind. From a scientific standpoint, the gas's effects and the subject's extreme physical and mental deterioration are highly exaggerated and improbable. While severe sleep deprivation is dangerous, it doesn't lead to subjects tearing themselves apart or developing superhuman strength. Despite its fictional origins, the story quickly spread, fueled by internet forums, urban legends, and a general distrust of institutions. The addition of graphic fan art and supposed evidence images made the story feel even more real, blurring the lines between fact and fiction. Our minds are wired for compelling narratives. The Russian sleep experiment offers a complete, vivid, and terrifying story that resonates deeply. It's a classic horror trope: innocent people trapped, subjected to cruel experiments, and driven to madness. A narrative we've seen countless times. The Cold War setting provided fertile ground. Real atrocities occurred, making fictional ones seem plausible, however outlandish. Researchers have scoured archives, interviewed historians, and found no evidence supporting the experiment's existence. It remains purely legendary. This story serves as a stark reminder of how quickly compelling but false information can spread and become ingrained in public consciousness. It highlights the importance of critical thinking and fact-checking, especially when encountering sensational claims online. The real horror isn't the experiment itself, but the ease with which we embrace horrifying narratives, even when untrue, blurring our perception of reality. The Russian sleep experiment remains a powerful internet legend, a testament to the enduring human fascination with the macabre and the unknown. Did you believe the Russian sleep experiment was real? What other urban legends have captivated your imagination? Share your thoughts below. If you found this exploration of internet myths fascinating, please like this video, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell.